namin siya gusto i-try. However, sabi kasi ng isa naming friend.
Masarap pa doon Angel's Burger.
Pero sabi ko, hindi natin malalaman kung masarap kung hindi natin i-try. So, yan. Musta ang gigo?
Approve.
Haba ng pila. So, sabi nila, may pila pa to. Dito, di may pila pa sa loob. Lagi naman tayo sa BGC, pero parang first time natin kakain dito.
Curious lang.
Na-curious ba? Sabi ko kasi, I want something new and bago sa panlasa ko talaga. Sabi siya pera ngayon. Delivery niya ako.
Mamaya bibilangan niya.
Give me my money.
Yeah, bilangan mo ba?
We will serve you 3 hamburgers, one at a time. For your first hamburger, please enjoy it with regional flavor. After that, you may enjoy our special condiments.
Then, bago mo kaya?
Okay, akin sa the first one is spaghetti. So, the next one is Singapore second burger. Sabi, the second one is ito, gamitin mo to. Ayan. Dito pa lang eh. Kasi yung soy sauce. Parang mas masarap.
We had our unique ones to surrender. You can enjoy it for yourself.
This is not the one for a big fan.